Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you guys. I have partnered with Inevifit, the creators of the Eero Smart Body Scale. They have decided to do a giveaway with us to give away their latest and greatest Smart Body Scale. As you know, I've done a review on this scale. I've been using it for about 2 months now. It's been a great unit. I have no complaints whatsoever. So I thought it would be a great idea, in addition to the robot vacuum I'm giving away, to give away a Smart Body Scale. You know, with summer coming up and everything like that, there's a lot of people trying to get healthy, get in shape. So this is the Eero Smart Body Scale. I'll leave a link in the description to my review on it and unboxing if you want to learn more about it. Here is the box. Just kind of tells you a little bit about the scale itself. And here's the back. So you can do so many different things. You can do body weight, body mass index, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, basal metabolism rate, metabolic age. They do have a free app. You just have to sign up with an email address, and you can create a profile and put in all your data, like your height, your weight, birth date, just the basic stuff like that. One thing I should mention is they have a great support team. So if you ever have to have any help getting the app set up or your scale's not working, their support team is phenomenal. I had some issues setting up the app. After I did the video, I had to reset the scale for some reason and it wouldn't reconnect. So I called them and I was very impressed with their professionalism and their ability to get the issue solved quickly. So here are the rules for the giveaway. So Inevifit has created a giveaway sign up list. I will leave a link on the screen and in the description, and then I'll pin it in the comments down below. You need to sign up on that giveaway list with your name, your address, all that, in case you win. Next thing you'll need to do is like Inevifit on Facebook and Fun Tech Reviews on Facebook. I'll leave links in the description down below. And then comment on the latest post on Inevifit's Facebook page using the hashtag me. That's all you have to do. You also have to be subscribed to Fun Tech Reviews in order to be qualified to win. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy your Smart Body Scale if you win. Winner will be announced on April 1st at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Till then, we'll see you next time.
Yeah.